In an electric shower, what keeps the shower water from the shower head insulated from the electricity inside the shower unit? It doesn't look totally waterproof or safe and the water can rain on the box.
Hi, my name is see if I can assist you. Around the lip of the cover should be a seal that when the cover is in place forms a seal against the ridge of the back. This will stop water getting into the shower itself as the shower is droplets and the unit is not submerged underwater. It is classed as splash proof.
The water splashes onto the cover and is then running water on its surface. Can this not get inside, and if it did, are there any fail-safe devices to prevent shock? The seal you mentioned seems to be on the top half of the unit only.
No, the units are designed and tested to make sure that no water can get into the unit or the electrics, so no harm to the user can occur. The unit should be wired to an RCD for safety. You are totally safe in the shower.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.